Here's how to embed a chat widget like this one on your website. You're going to go into your CRM and go to Sites. Then you'll go to Chat Widget. We've already got one created in your account, so you should be able to just grab that one and start customizing it and then embed it on your site. Once you've got it looking the way that you want it to look, you can just grab this code up here. If you have WordPress, you can click that Get for WordPress button, right? And you can install this lead connector plugin, and then you should be able to install the widget that way. Otherwise, you can grab this Get Code link right here, and you can either take this code and copy it directly into the code of your website. So it says to copy this code in the body or the footer section of your website. If I was going to do this in, let's say I was going to do it in a WordPress website in Elementor without using the plugin, then I would go to this custom code section. I would add a new code. We'd put it in the body section, right? And call it chat widget. And then we would paste the code from right here, right? We copied this, paste it in here, and then you can publish it. I'm not going to publish this though, because I've already got this widget installed on the site. Let me show you one other way to install it. And I actually prefer this method. If you click this little via GTM, that stands for Google Tag Manager, then you can copy the code right here, and you could create a Google Tag Manager account, install it on your website. And this will be really useful if you're going to install things like Google Analytics or Google Ads conversion tracking tags or anything like that later. But once you've installed Tag Manager on your website, you should have a dashboard like this where you can add a new tag. You can configure your tag to be a custom HTML widget. Again, we're going to paste the code. It's this code from right here in the Via GTM tab. Paste that right in here. You can trigger it on all pages of your site, or let's say you don't want it to go on the thank you page. I've got that set up in here. This will require some extra setup if you've never used Tag Manager before. So you might need to hire somebody or find a tech savvy friend to help you if you can't figure this part out. And then you could call this chat widget and you'd hit save. And once you've saved that, then you would hit submit and give a name to this Tag Manager version and hit publish, and then it will be published onto your website. I'm actually not going to publish this because I've already got the chat widget installed on my site, like I said. But there's a couple different ways to accomplish installing this chat widget on your website. And once it's installed, it should show up there for you all the time and start collecting leads. All right, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Otherwise, you can hit up support@bookcleaningjobs.com.